Hey everyone, it's Sue. This is a challenge entry that I have for the Oddball Art Facebook page. And this right here, I made a card and an envelope for someone at work. And the card has an Oddball Art Digi on it. And I actually won this Digi in the month of May, because I entered for the month of May as well, and this is one of the Digis that I won. You win 3 Digis, and this was one of them, and I love it. I only use Oddball Art Digis. There's just something about them. I mean, they are fresh and fun, and I enjoy coloring them. I truly enjoy it, because you can use any colors you want. If you want to have her with green hair, give her green hair, purple hair, pink hair. It doesn't matter. And that's what I like so much about Lizzie's Digis. They're just fun. And I truly like that, and I think she's very talented. So head on over to the Oddball Art Facebook page. It's called Mixed Mediaology Oddball Art. And so this is the Digi. And what I did was I made a card. So it's a birthday card. And I took this background, which is from Heidi Swapp Sugar Chic collection. And I backed it on another piece of the Sugar Chic collection. And I put a couple pieces of washi tape down here. And what I did was I put Mod Podge over this whole piece right here. So then on the inside, since I'm on this Mod Podge kick with tissue paper, ta-da! So I did this. So this piece right here is actually from a napkin, from a swap from Crazy Island Family. And some of the tissue paper is as well. And this piece right here is tissue paper that I had. So, you know, I put all of this on here, and I put my Mod Podge over it. So then what I did was I took my envelope. I didn't want to leave it plain, so I just sprayed with, of course, Dylusion spray. And I took my thickers, and I wrote her name, and then I just put a piece of washi tape underneath, which is kind of coming up, so I'm going to have to put some adhesive down. So again, this is my entry for the Oddball Art Challenge, and this is one of the Digis that you can get at the Oddball Art Etsy shop. So I hope that you enjoyed, and I'm just learning to color. I think I get better and better every time. I have a lot to learn, but I'm getting there. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.